some patients were telling me they were having some difficulty making appointments online. So I tried to understand it a little bit myself and found out where the problem is. So when you go to www.ineedmydoc.com, that's INEEDMYDOC.com, C-O-M. What you do is when you get to the site, you'll see my picture. If you will just hit my picture, it'll bring you right to the site. And then you can choose what service you are looking for. And please, new patients, you need to do the new patient thing so I can give you enough time, because I do want to understand what's going on and try to get you the best and quickest result I can. For my existing patients, it says existing patients, and it tells you what service you want. You want allergy elimination, you want a chiropractic adjustment, you need to use the laser, whatever. You'll see it all listed here. All right? I want you to have a very happy day. Enjoy the beautiful weather. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.